Hello everyone, in this video we'll see about C programs, basic C programs, how we can write the program and how we can execute the programs. All the C programs are written in text files with the extension .c. That means we can write the programs. So why we write the program? To give a solution, means to give solutions to the particular problems, we can write programs. That programs will be in a step-by-step manner. In C language we can follow a particular structure. By using that structure we can write programs, and the program is saved with .c extension. For example, in this video we'll see the basic C program or the first demo C program, that is called Hello World program. So here the Hello World program is saved with the name called hello.c. hello.c. So this is a C Hello World program. So we'll see how it will work, how we can write the program for Hello World, the display on the console. So first one is hash include stdio.h. So this is the first line in while writing the C program. So here hash include is a preprocessor command that tells the compiler to include the contents of stdio.h. means it will include the contents of stdio.h. So what is this stdio.h? stdio abbreviation is standard input output, standard input and output. So this is a .h extension is there. So this stdio.h is an header file. This is an header file which contains functions such as scanf function and printf function. Scanf and printf functions. So this stdio.h standard input output header file contains the functions such as scanf and printf. So why this scanf and printf is used? So scanf function is used to take the input by the user, and printf is used to display the output. So if you use the printf function without writing this hash include stdio.h, then the program will not compile. So the execution of C program starts from main function. So printf is a library function to send formatted output to the screen. So in this program printf displays hello world. So here main function is start, that means the scope of main function is represented with opening flower brace. So here we write the printf function to display the hello world text on the screen. So how it will be displayed? So this is a comment section. So this double slash represent the comment, means for user purpose, for user understandable purpose what the next line explains. So this printf function displays the string inside the quotation mark. So here inside the quotation mark we have hello world. Printf displays the string inside quotation mark. So here in printf function, in the quotation we display the word called hello world. So this hello world is displayed on the console screen. Next line we write return 0. So return 0 is a statement which is used to represent the exit status of the program. So this return 0 will represent the exit status of the program. So here only we can display the hello world on the screen. So now the main function, our task is completed. So simply we can close the cursor. So this is the sample C program, how to print the hello world on the screen, output screen. So here once again we'll repeat the steps. First one is hash include stdio.h. Next int main. Here int is the return type of main function. So here in place of int we can write the default return type called void also. So in place of int we can write void also. So if we write int means the main function returns the integer type. If you write void means it will returns the void type. So next line the flower brace is open. So this flower braces represents the scope of this particular program. So here in this scope we write one printf statement which is used to display the hello world on the output screen, and the last line is return 0. So return 0 represents the end status of the particular program. And another important thing is here for clear the screen. So for clear the screen we can write within this main, we'll write CLR SCR statement. So this CLR SCR statement is nothing but clear screen. So whatever the output we get on the console screen, so we can clear it first. So we by using this CLR SCR statement, the console will be cleared and we get this particular output only, means this particular program's output only. So how we can get the output for this program, we'll see. So output for the program is like this. So on black screen we get the word called hello world. So like this we can write the basic program how to print a text on the screen. So this is the output for hello world. Thank you.